These 3 jewellery making kits have everything inside the box that you need to make these stunning pieces of jewellery. And these designs were drawn and developed by some students at Argent College. Argent College has the most amazing facilities. It has like a rooftop garden, it has jewellery making facilities, and the students drew out some designs that they thought would work really well as projects and also finished pieces of jewellery. So we have a feather design, we have a heart design, and then we have a flower design as well. So some of these included beads, lots of wire, all made from sterling silver, and the boxes come with complete instructions inside about how to make all of these pieces of jewellery. When the kits were finished and the projects were made, we went back to Argent College and the students actually helped us pack the boxes and put all the pieces in. We even added a little label to say who packed the boxes. And these are the finished pieces that you can make. So you can buy the feather, you can buy the flower, and you can also buy the heart design.